Hi guys. Okay, next we have the training module. If your business provides internal training for employees, this is where you can create and manage training sessions for your team. Employees assigned to the training will be able to view those trainings directly from their back office login. To begin, head over to HR and open trainings. Or you can quickly search it using the smart search at the top. Inside the training page, you'll see the list of trainings along with options to add new trainings or view training summaries. To create a training session, click the Add on the top right corner. The Add Training window will appear. Here, enter the training name and a description explaining the purpose of the training. If you have an online training session through Google Meet, Zoom, or another platform, you can paste the training URL here. You can also add a YouTube training video link if employees need to watch a recorded tutorial. If you want to add an expiry date for your trainings to expire on a certain time, toggle the expirable on. From there, we would be able to add the expiry date on the trainings when we're adding the employees. Once completed, click Save. Once saved, the training will appear in the training list. From here, you will have action options available for the training. If employees need documents related to the training, click the Documents icon under the Actions tab. Drag and drop the file into the uploaded area. Next, select the subcategory. If no subcategory exists, click Add and create a new subcategory description. Go ahead and add the document name if needed, and click Save. This allows employees to access important training files directly from their back office. To assign employees to a training session, click the Employees icon under the Action tab. A list of employees will appear. From here, select the employees who should have access to this training. You can also set an expiry date for the training access. Once saved, the selected employees will be able to view the trainings when they log into their back office account. At the top of the training module, click Summary to view training statistics. Here, you can view all trainings, active and inactive trainings. This just gives a quick overview of your current employees' training activity. Using this section, you can create training sessions, upload training documents, assign employees, track completion status, and manage active or inactive trainings all from one place. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more tutorials. I'll see you guys in the next video.